Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in Java tutorial. Today in this video we mainly discuss conditional statements in Java. We'll talk about what is conditional statement. The conditional statements are used to control the flow of the program based on the certain conditions. The most commonly used conditional statements are if, else, else if and switch. Suppose if I want to know whether the given number is negative or positive, then we can give the condition like whether the number is greater than 0, then we can consider it as a positive. If the number is less than 0, then we can consider it as a negative. Likewise, so if the condition satisfies, then it will execute the code inside the if block. In the if statement, it allows you to execute the block of code if the specific condition is true. The syntax is if. We can give the condition like in the previous example, the number is greater than 0 or less than 0. It depends on the condition. If the condition satisfies, then we'll execute the block of code. If condition block, the code of if inside the if condition will execute. Whereas in the if else statement, it allows to execute the one block of code if the condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. In the if condition, we can give the condition. If the condition satisfies, then it will execute the if block code, or else it will execute the else block code. Else if statement, it allows to check the multiple conditions and execute the different block of codes based on those conditions. See here, the syntax is if the condition 1 satisfies, then it will execute the if block code, or else it checks the condition 2. If the condition 2 satisfies, it will execute the block of code of else if. If both the conditions are false, then it will execute the else block code. We can see in the IntelliJ, we can create one class condition. Then I will take a one variable int I equal to 10. I want to know whether the value which given to the I variable is positive or negative. Then I will give a condition like if I greater than 0, then it will execute number is positive. Likewise, we can write the else condition also in this. Number is not positive. Suppose if the value of the I is greater than 0, then it will print the number is positive, or else it will print the else statement. Let's execute this one. Yeah, we can see the number is positive. Suppose if we take the negative number, then we can execute this one. See here, the number is not positive. Suppose if you want to check whether the number is positive or negative, checking the multiple conditions, here we can use else if. Sorry, less than 0. number is negative. Then I will change the else statement into number is 0, because suppose if it is greater than 0, it will print the positive one. If it is less than 0, it will print the negative. Else if statement. The both the conditions are not satisfied, then the number will be 0. Now we can run the code. See here, I take the minus 10, then it will be a less than 0, then it will print number is negative. If I take the positive one, then it will print the, it satisfies the condition of if condition in the if, then it will execute the code in the if block. If the number is 0, then it will execute the else block code. See here, the number is 0, number is 0. And another one is switch. The switch, it allows to execute the different code blocks based on the values of the variable. Suppose if we want to check the multiple conditions at a time, then we can go with the switch. We'll see in the IntelliJ. So I am creating one class, switch demo. Here I declare a variable equal to suppose 3. Suppose I will take a weekday. We can take a empty string, switch. Case 1, day equal to Monday, then break. Sorry, I forgot to declare the main statement. That's why it is showing the errors. Now it is okay. So in the switch statement, we can take a one variable and one string or any integer, depends on this blocks of code execution. So here I want to validate whether in a weekday, whether it is a Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, any week, any day in a week. Suppose I consider one is for the Monday and two is for the Tuesday. The week starts, like we can see the case 3 day equal to Wednesday. Here we are using the break. Once the condition is satisfied, then it will come out from the condition and it will print the statement. So the day is, so let's execute this code. Yeah, I take the 3 in the weekday, then it will validates until 3 and it satisfies this condition, then it will it executes the Wednesday. Here I given the text as a string as a the day is Wednesday. Let's see here. Let's execute once. Yeah, the day is Wednesday. Like we can take multiple conditions here. Or Thursday. Suppose I will take this as a 1, then it will, let's see it will print the Monday or not. Yeah, it prints it is Monday. Let's revise once. The conditional statements is used to control the flow of the program based on the certain conditions. In the Java, the conditional statements are if, else, else if, and switch. In the if statement, it allows to execute the block of code if the specific condition is true. In the if else, it allows to execute one block of code if the condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. In the else if statement, we can check the multiple conditions executed different blocks of code based on those conditions. So here in the else if and the switch statement, the thing difference is in the if condition and else if, all these things we can write the multiple conditions in that the code will be more. So if you want to check the multiple conditions, so by the time we can go for the switch statement. The code will be very less easy to maintain and easy to understand. That's it for this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.